Hello friends, welcome to all of you Dr. Jagdish Academy. In my last video, I have discussed the three methods of preparation of amine. Number one is reduction, second one is Hofmann-Boromide degradation reaction, and third one is Hofmann ammonolysis reaction. In this video, I will discuss the remaining two methods of preparation of amine. Number one is Gabriel thalamide synthesis, and second one is reductive animation of aldehyde and ketone. So first of all, I will discuss the Gabriel thalamide synthesis. So Gabriel thalamide synthesis, this reaction or this method is used for the preparation of only aliphatic primary amines. So in this reaction, the main reactant is thalamide. So here we have a thalamide which when react with the alcoholic KOH. So in this case, there is a presence of electron withdrawing carbonyl group. So due to presence of electron withdrawing carbonyl group, the electron deficiency on the nitrogen increases, means electrodensity on the nitrogen decreases. Due to decrease of electrodensity, nitrogen has tendency to withdraw the nitrogen-hydrogen sigma electron toward itself. It means due to presence of electron withdrawing group, this thalamide show acidic nature, means it has tendency to donate this H positive. So H positive from the thalamide, they combine with OH to form the water. Whereas in place of H positive, the potassium which is carrying positive charge, they are attached to the nitrogen. So in this case, we get a potassium thalamide by replacing the hydrogen of the thalamide with the potassium ion. So this potassium thalamide, they further react with the ethyl iodide. So in this case, again potassium K positive, they react with the iodide negative to form the potassium iodide. So in place of potassium K positive, that is ethyl group, they are attached to the nitrogen to form a normal ethyl thalamide. This undergo further electrolysis in the presence of acid. So in this case, hydrolysis take place. Hydrolysis means 2OH group, this is a OH group. This OH group combined to this carbon and this OH combined to this carbon, and there is a breakage of bond. And remaining two hydrogen, they are combined with the nitrogen. So there is a due to cleavage of this carbon nitrogen bond. So there is a formation of main product C2H5 NH2. This is a primary amine. Aliphatic primary amine, that is the ethyl amine. Whereas the remaining product is C6H5, C6H4, COOH. This is known as phthalic acid. So this is a Gabriel thalamide synthesis to form the primary aliphatic amine from the phthalamide in the presence of alcoholic KOH. However, this method has a one limitation. This method is not suitable for the preparation of aromatic amines, because if we want to prepare here aromatic amines, in this we should contain the aromatic halide. So we can't use the aromatic halide because aryl halide, they don't undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with the potassium thalamide. So that is why this method is not suitable for the preparation of aromatic amines. The next reaction is a reductive animation of aldehyde and ketone. Reductive animation means aldehyde first react with the ammonia followed by the reduction in the presence of Re-nickel. So this is also known as catalytic addition of the ammonia to the aldehyde and ketone. So in this reaction we get primary, secondary, tertiary amines. So in this reaction, aldehyde or ketones, they are react with ammonia, either ammonia or primary amine or secondary amine. So to get when this aldehyde or ketone react with ammonia or amines, then we get an intermediate product is the imine. which further undergo reduction in the presence of Rene nickel or platinum. So we get, if we react the ammonia with aldehyde or ketone, then we get a primary amine. If primary amine react with aldehyde or ketone, then we get a secondary amine. If secondary amine react with the aldehyde and ketone, then we get a tertiary amines. So to explain it, I am taking the example of acetaldehyde that react with the ammonia. This is NH3. So in this case, the nucleophilic addition reaction followed by the loss of water molecule. So in this case, O from the aldehyde and H2 from the ammonia to combine to form a water, and the remaining NH group, they are combined with carbon double bond. So in this case we get a CH3CH double bond NH. So this is known as acetaldehyde, which undergo reduction in the presence of Rene nickel. A reduction means addition of hydrogen. So one hydrogen is added to this carbon and second hydrogen adds to this NH group, and double bond is converted to single bond. And in this case, after reduction, we get a ethyl amine, which is known as primary amine. Acetaldehyde may also react with the primary amine. So in this case, again similar, there is a loss of water, nucleophilic addition reaction followed by the loss of water molecule. In this case, we get a CH3, this is CH, the double bond, they are attached to this nitrogen and containing methyl group. Again followed by the reduction in the presence of Rene nickel. So there is the addition of hydrogen. One hydrogen adds to this nitrogen and other hydrogen adds to this carbon. As result, double bond, carbon nitro double bond is converted to single bond, and we get a CH single bond NHCH3. So this is called, that is a ethyl methyl amine, or we can say that this is a secondary amine since it contains a functional group NH. The similar reaction is shown by ketone. So when the acetone, they are react with ammonia, then we get a primary amine. When the acetone react with the primary amine, then we get a secondary amine as a main product. So again, there are loss of water. So acetone, CH3, double bond NH, again reduction. So there is the addition of two nascent hydrogen. So this hydrogen and this double bond is converted to single bond. CH3, here CH3, CH, again NH2. So this is, since it contains NH2 group, so this is known as primary amine. So when aldehyde or ketone, they react with ammonia, so we get a primary amine. So on the reaction of primary amines with the aldehyde or ketone, we get a secondary amine, and in this case we get a product is CH3, again CH3, again CH and NH, CH3, and this is secondary amine. This reaction is also shown by the aromatic aldehyde. Aldehyde, they react with the ammonia, so we get a primary aromatic amine. When aldehyde or aromatic benzaldehyde, they react with primary amine, then we get a secondary amine as a main product. So again, there is a loss of water followed by the reduction in the presence of Rene nickel. So in this case, we get a product is CH2, NH2. This is a benzyl amine, and this is a primary amine. Whereas aldehyde react with primary amine, we get a secondary amine as a main product. So in this case, followed by the reduction. So CH, again single bond NHCH3. So this is normal methyl benzyl amine. So this is a reductive animation of aldehyde and ketone. means reaction of ammonia with the aldehyde or ketone, or reaction of amine with the aldehyde ketone followed by the reduction is known as reductive animation of aldehyde and ketone. And in this case we get a mixture of, that is maybe we get primary amines, we get secondary amine as well as tertiary amines depending upon the nature of reactant. So next I will discuss what is the mechanism of reductive animation of aldehyde and ketone. So as we know that aldehyde or ketone containing carbonyl group, so when it's react with the ammonia or primary amine or secondary amine, it undergo nucleophilic addition reaction followed by the loss of water. So in this case, as a carbonyl group in which the oxygen is more electron withdrawing group, so it withdraw the electron toward itself. As a result, oxygen acquires negative charge where carbon acquires positive charge. So since the nitrogen in a ammonia contains a lone pair, so it means it is electron excess species or it acts as a nucleophile. So due to presence of lone pair, it has tendency to donate the lone pair, or it has tendency to donate the electron pair, or they can attack to electron deficient site. So in a carbonyl, the carbon carry positive charge. It means this site is electron deficient site. And ammonia as a nucleophile, they can attack to this electron deficient site. So due to attack of ammonia to electron deficient, the nitrogen acquires a positive charge. So in this case, the nitrogen as ammonia, they are attached to nitrogen through carbon-nitrogen sigma bond. Furthermore, there is a transfer of proton. So in this case, due to presence of positive charge, nitrogen has tendency to withdraw the nitrogen-hydrogen sigma electron toward itself. So there is a H positive, and this H positive, they are shift to this O negative to form the OH bond. So due to shifting of positive charge become neutralized, and we get a product is COH and NH2. After that there is a loss of water molecule. So this OH group again is a more electron withdrawing group. So it withdraw the electron toward itself. So as that carbon acquire positive charge, carbon has tendency to withdraw the electron toward itself. There is a loss of H positive and OH negative to form the water. This sigma carbon nitrogen sigma bond, they are shift toward this carbon nitrogen sigma bond. As a result, there is a formation of carbon nitrogen double bond. Due to migration of this nitrogen hydrogen sigma electron. So this is we get a product is amine, which undergo further reduction in the presence of active nickel or platinum. So there is the addition of hydrogen. So one hydrogen adds to this carbon and second hydrogen adds to this carbon. Double bond is converted to single bond. So in this case we get a primary amine. So this is a mechanism of reductive animation of aldehyde and ketone. So what is limitation? So in this case we get a primary amine as the main product during the addition of ammonia to aldehyde followed by the reduction. So this primary amine, which is produced as a main product, they may further react with the aldehyde or ketone to form the secondary amines, and secondary amine may further react with the aldehyde or ketone to form a tertiary amines. So in this case, it was very difficult to isolate the main product primary amine from this reaction mixture.